Hello and welcome to this video from NetAlly. Today we're going to talk about two new great features in the v2.4 release. Both have to do with enhanced grading in the Nmap application. First off, multiple grading of a single result. What is it? Nmap users can now perform multiple grading of individual test results, including two levels of severity, either error or warning. So why is this valuable? It's very useful when Nmap commands or scripts are run against multiple targets or ports. It makes it much easier to identify multiple warnings or errors for each of those commands. So let's talk about the other piece. Find next grading in Nmap output. So what is it? You could search Nmap outputs by jumping to the next highlighted text, either a warning or an error. So why is this valuable? If you're at all familiar with Nmap, oftentimes both on the execution side and on the output side in particular, it can be very difficult to kind of sort through and understand exactly what that output is talking about and what information you're looking for. So again, it greatly enhances the difficult process of locating problems identified during long scans, especially when more complex commands or scripts are used. So given that, let's kind of take a look at an example of just how that would work. So here we are within the Nmap application, and we're going to look at the vulner script. And if you scroll down here, just take a look, you can see right here, I've already enabled and programmed this particular vulner script with two levels of both a warning and an error. Result must not contain open, and result must not contain CVE. So in the first case, it'll be a warning. In the second case, it will be an error. So given that, let's back up here and we're going to go ahead and run this vulners script. We're going to start it and let it run. Okay, so it has finished, and let's take a look here now at how you can jump through that output to each one of those warnings and errors that we called out earlier. Right up here at the top right-hand corner, there's this little icon, and as you begin to click it, you can see it's jumping to the next either open or warning area. So again, you go through here, and although I didn't actually call it out, this particular command was only executed against one IP address, and it actually took like 3 minutes to run. And look at the amount of output here. So imagine you did this across a range of IP addresses. The density and the amount of copy you would have to jump through to really understand it without this capability could be quite burdensome. So there you have it, two new capabilities in the Nmap application to, again, continue to make it easier for you both to execute Nmap commands and view the outputs.